I would like to express my sincere thanks to His Excellency Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Wong Zin. We are really honored to have your presence during the launch of Nammi vehicle in Nepal, and also all the delegates from the Embassy of China. Thank you very much for your presence. We are really honored. As our Mr. Sanjay has said, that MAW is one of the most experienced and one of the oldest companies in Nepal as far as automobile is concerned. You must be aware of. It is among the 4 largest companies in China, largest automobile companies in China. It ranks 188 number as far as Fortune 500 companies are concerned. It has got presence in more than 100 countries all over the world. And it has got a very successful legacy of more than 55 years. So company that we represent in Nepal makes a very important choice as far as MAW is concerned. It is more than 17 centimeter to the products that are being launched with the name of Punch. So it is one of the largest car in this particular segment as far as length is concerned. Secondly, as far as width is concerned, this beats every car in this segment, hands down. Even the most selling Dongfeng car, we are about more than 4 centimeters wider than that particular car. Now, if the length is more and width is more, how does it affect the customer? It will be giving more space to the person who is driving the car. It will be giving more space to the person who is sitting behind. It would be more comfort to them. It would be giving you more luggage space in order to accommodate more luggage. So it is redefining the luxury that we are talking about. So this is one aspect of the car, but it is also one of the most luxurious cars. My friends and colleagues would be talking about the luxury aspects and the features that this particular car has. But it would be one of the most outstanding as far as luxury is concerned. You would not have seen such kind of car in the whole Nepal market up till now, let me assure you.
Representing over 21 international brands like Yamaha, JCB, Eicher, Photon, Chang'an, Skoda, among many others, with more than 350 touchpoints across Nepal. We have the largest network among all the automotive groups in Nepal. Kilowatt-hour battery extends the range to 317 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. Nammi will be available in 3 different versions: Nammi E1, Nammi E2 and Nammi E3, with 4 full-body color options and 3 dual-tone color options. The 4 full-body color options are white, blue, purple and green, while the dual-tone options are blue and white roof, green and white roof and purple and white roof. Likewise, it is available in 2 interior color options, white and black and grey and black. With Nammi, you just don't drive, you drive full package.